everybody, I'm Xander,
And I'm Zachary.
and today we're unboxing
The MakerBox.
the MakerBox.
Guys, first of all, you forgot me, and I have the MakerBox.
What?
All right, everybody, so it's time for MakerBox again, one of our favorite times of the month. Unfortunately, it only happens once per month, but I don't think I could afford for it to happen more than that. I will cut this tape.
Please end me.
All right. Something completely different this time.
Is it?
Starburst!
Whoa. Whoa.
Well, we have enough Haribo right now. And we
That
definitely
is
have
true,
enough
that is
gummies.
true.
So it was good to have something different. So anyway, it comes with your typical monthly coupon codes that I like to hoard for myself and not share with the public. We got a new MakerBox sticker.
Oh, we got two.
We got more than one, and I don't know if that was intentional or accidental. Good thing we have a Zach to get the stuff I drop on the ground.
Can I have that one?
So, yeah, that's fine. So let's nice MakerBox sticker.
Cool.
We have a East Coast Rep Rap Festival card. If you're not familiar, ERP is coming up this summer.
Earth and then Nerf.
And that's a bad focus on that. I'll probably have to adjust the focus. There we go. You can see the website address. Go check that out. All right, buddy. I need you to sit back, please. Sit back in your chair. Thank you. All right, we got Verbatim, made for the 3D, made for the 3 Dreamers, 3D Reamers. 3
Wait,
Dreamers.
only 3 people dream?
Well, it's like a play on 3D. So I have to assume then that there is some Verbatim. Oh, yes, there is. The very first one here. This is polypropylene from Verbatim. And what I was going to say before Xander there rudely interrupted me, this box, what I heard about this box was this is more based on people who do a lot of engineering. This is supposed to be very tough materials. So this is a soft and chemical resistant polymer, sticks well to PET tape, prints supported like a flexible filament. Oh yeah, it is. It's very it's very giving. I mean, it's not giving like a Ninja Flex or anything like that, but it definitely has a little bit of a I guess softer side to it. Yeah, you can.
It's an ASA. The hot end temperature 230 to 240. Bed temperature 80 to 110. Speed 30 to 90 millimeters per second. A functional material with similar properties to ABS includes the UV inhibitors, so it is perfect for prints that will be used outside. Prints similar to ABS but with a little less warp.
All right, so UV inhibitors means that it's not affected by UV light as much as other filaments.
And this is push plastic.
Push plastics. Yeah, ASA has been kind of a rage lately. A lot of people have been talking about the ASAs, and I've been looking forward to giving them a try. So, and our next one, I'm trying to look to see which one's got the hardest to pronounce word. They actually look
pretty equal.
Pretty equal, yep. All right, so this one is Advanced Matte PLA. It takes 180 to 220 degree hot end, room temperature to 60 degree bed, prints at 40 to 120 millimeters per second. It is a high quality PLA with a matte finish for higher quality visual prints. It almost feels a little heavy. It's kind of cool, and that's Matte Forge. I just can't seem to hold this straight in front of the camera today. So
I'm going to read this one.
all right.
This is STYX12. The hot end temperature is 240 to 270 degrees. The bed temperature is 80 to 120 degrees. The speed is 30 to 60 millimeters per second. STYX
Sticks 12.
Sticks. Is that how
Sticks. Well, that's how the group, the rock band Sticks is spelled.
Sticks 12 is an
Industrial
PA12 grade nylon filament, which combines excellent mechanical, chemical, and
hygroscopic
properties with printability.
I have to admit, I don't know what hygroscopic is. I know what hydroscopic is, but I'll have to look that up.
And then I might be saying this name wrong. Futura?
Very close. Very close. You did good.
Yeah.
So, and there is that guy right there. Now this absolutely blows me away. I mean, a hot end temperature of 240 to 270 degrees Celsius. That would be the hottest thing I have ever printed. Bed temperature of 80 to 120 degrees Celsius. I don't think I've ever run one of my beds to 120 degrees Celsius, so that'll be interesting to check out. And then down in the bottom of this box, there is just another advertisement for the Verbatim filament. High heat resistant, high chemical resistant, remains pliable after processing. It's commonly used for food packaging, medical applications, and IT equipment. So, made in Japan, tight tolerances, custom spool. Well, ours didn't come with a spool at all. So, but that's it for this week. This stuff is exciting, and again, we're going to have the same problem that we have with every MakerBox. Who gets to eat the candy? No. It's always so very hard to pick what you want to print with these filaments. Yeah. You get such fantastic varieties of filament, and you know, it's just hard. They're all so special, and then you go, oh, what do I print? But again, we've decided to do a Daniel Norrie RC car.
Yeah, we still have filament from our first MakerBox.
We do. We have a lot of filament left from our early MakerBoxes. So, but we've decided to do a Daniel Norrie RC Formula One RC car for display at Gainesville Maker Fair, as well as I would love to have it running by Murph this year. So some of these more industrial filaments will be great for that. If you guys are interested in getting your own MakerBox, which will be promptly delivered to your home every month, or if you're overseas, you can have it done once every 2 months to save on shipping. The link to that is down in the description, and if you buy it through our link, we actually get credit for that, so that every few that we sell, we get a free one.
I didn't know you. Like,
you don't know me.
No. Yeah, but I didn't know that if it were overseas. Yeah,
you can actually do a bi-monthly or bi-monthly, so that you get a package of 2 every other month, so that it saves on the shipping. So, but here the shipping is really cheap. The post office did recently up the shipping, so now instead of 50 cents for the shipping, it's 83 cents. And boo-hoo-hoo for 33 more cents. It's still well worth it.
Candy bar.
It is a great product. If you're into 3D printing and you want to try a variety of filaments, there's not going to be a better monthly box than this one. In fact, I can only think of one other monthly box, and this one definitely just blows it out of the water. So check this guy out. And I say all that, there's no association. I just really love MakerBox. If you've watched some of our past videos, you'll know that I always have a MakerBox in screen. Because I believe in it. So if you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Until next time. Oh, well, this is Zach's. This is the only video that Zach so far gets to do. So he likes to tell you, don't give us one of these. Give us one of these. Right? All right. Until next time, as always, print on.